1952 Ford Crestline. Average price is $16,083. Period elegance and tons of chrome make the 1952 Ford Crestline one of the most beautiful classic cars of the 1950s. This car shows off with nice features and some excellent hood ornaments on higher trims. The Crestline was the top trim in the early Ford lineup, with the main line being the lower trim. Despite the higher position, a Crestline can be had for a reasonable price. Power for this impressive Ford car came from a 239 cubic inch V8 engine that mated to a 3-speed manual transmission, sending power to the rear wheels. The Crestline wasn't a particularly powerful car, but it delivered 110 horsepower and 194 pound-feet of torque, making it easy to drive and enjoy during its heyday.